there cuties, Winnie here. Today we're going to draw Miss Delight from Poppy Playtime. So let's get started. To draw this cute teacher, let's first start by drawing her eyes. So we're going to come right here and we're going to start with a curve going up and coming right back down. And then let's connect it at the bottom right here with a curve. There. Then I'm going to come right across, say about, not too wide, say about right here. And we're going to draw the same thing. So go up and down and then connect it with a curve. There. And then let's come back inside and we're going to draw another curve right in the center, nice and high. And then I'll put a little highlight right here with a circle and shade everything else in. So same thing here. There. So now that these eyes in, before I finish them, let's, well, you know what, let's come back here and we're going to draw some lashes right here on the sides. So same thing here, maybe like 3 of them. And then I'm going to come back and just thicken the top curve just to anchor her eyes a little bit better. And make this a little bit bigger. I think the bigger these are, the creepier it looks. Okay, so there, then from there, let's go ahead in the center and we're going to draw a little curve for her nose right in between her eyes. About here, and then I'm just going to put in 2 little dots for her nostrils. And then from there, let's go over her eye and we're going to come about right here and just draw a curve and curve right here as well, right over her eye for her brow. Then let's draw her creepy smile. So I'm going to say, kind of like where this part ends right here, I'm going to come down, give myself a point. Same thing here, about right here. And I'm going to connect these 2 points with a curve. Just a nice deep curve and go right back up. And then we're going to draw a really deep curve. So I'm going to come down and bring it down nice and deep. So let's say about right here towards the center. This is my center. And then same thing here. And connect everything. There. Nice and big, right? And then we can come right by here. Just bring this out a little bit. Extend it out for the smile. And then in for the teeth, come towards the center area. You can kind of go like, just draw like a little curve right here and here, just for indication of her teeth. Or if you like, you can actually draw her teeth. And if you want to do that, just come in here. I'm just going to do it really lightly. And I'm just going to draw some straight lines down. Nice and light. And same thing here. And then just connect this curve. There, I'm just trying to make it nice and light. Okay, so now that we have that in, let's go ahead and start to frame her face. So her hair part's on the side. So I'm going to say about right here, above this eye. Come up and say about here. I'll just give myself a point. And I'm going to go ahead and draw a curve coming down, going around her eye, and stop about right here where her eyes are. And then on this side, I'm going to curve down, pretty much hitting that brow. And once again, we're going to come around the eye and stop, just like this side. Then from there, we're going to come out for her cheeks. So we're going to pop this out a little bit and bring it in. So same thing here, just pop it out a little bit. And then we're going to bring all of this together. So let's come back in the center about right here, really close to her mouth. We're just going to give myself a point so I know where I'm going. And I'm going to connect. Bring this down for her face. So same thing here. Come down with a curve and connect. So we're giving her these big cheeks. Then right about here is where we're going to put, when you color it, I'm just going to draw a curve in here. You're going to make this part red for her cheeks. Make her like a creepy doll, right? So then from there, let's go ahead where her hair parts, we're going to go up, and about right here we're going to come down with a curve, and this side's going to go up. So let's work on this side. We're going to bring it down, and about right here cave it in a little bit and then out. And then on this side we're going to go up, and just imagine this is coming down. About right here I'm going to stop and just add a little bow. So I'm just kind of imagining this line is coming through. So if you're using a pencil, draw that, and I'll say about right here. I'm just going to draw this little bow. So this is the center, and my loops, and same thing here. And draw two little lines right here for some detail. And then we can continue this curve down. So it's coming through the bow. And about right here, we're going to come out around the face. There. So we're going to finish her hair a little bit later. Let's draw the body. So once again, we're going to come towards the center. So about right here and here. We're going to give her a little neck, and then we're going to come around and connect it. Come around and connect it to a V right there. And we're going to draw her collar. So we're going to come out and connect. So curve it out, little angle, and connect. And then she has a tie that's in here. So we're going to come in and put a little top of the tie, and now the bottom. So then from there, let's go back and draw her shoulder. So we're going to come out about right here and here. And then before we finish the rest of her shoulder, I'm just going to bring this down, come about right there. We'll come down to say about right here and here, kind of like where her armpit area would be. Just give myself a point, and from there I'm just going to draw an angle line down. So same thing here. So we're going to start her body, and let's bring this in, and let's see, about right there I'm going to stop and connect. So now let's go in and work on the details. So about right here I'm going to come in a little bit. She's wearing kind of like this dress that has straps, so I'm going to come right here and draw a curve going all the way across, and whatever space I have left I'll finish my tie. And then we need to draw two straps right about here. So same thing on this side, here and here for her straps on her dress. Then let's bring this down. She has a little belt on her skirt, and one more layer. So connect this part, and then we can draw her skirt. So we poof out her skirt. There. So a lot of little details right here, but hopefully I'm helping you draw it. Okay, so now that we have that part in, let's bring this skirt all the way down. So it's a very long skirt. It's all the way down to her feet. So let's say about right there. I'll stop, and same thing here. So we just want to find the same height on the other side. About right there with the same height, and then we can go ahead and connect it with a bunch of curves. And just make sure as you connect it, the center is lower and goes right back up. Okay, then from there, let's draw her feet. So find your center, come down, and then we're going to go to the left and to the left. Then right here, we're going to draw her feet. So just draw a little curve, and then right here, just going to angle, curve out to create her feet. So we're just going to see her shoes basically and connect. So then about right here, we're going to curve and curve. So same thing here. Just draw this angle. And once again, curve out and connect. And the shoes here, and then curve out. There, so we have her feet. Then finally, let's draw her arms. So, reason we stop right here is because we need to draw a poofy sleeve. So we're going to come out, poof it out, and come down. And then about right here, this part's going to come, and let's poof it out and say about right here. And connect. There. And we come in here and just draw some curves. And then it ends right here with, say, 3 curves. This little ruffle part. And then the hands are going to come down. So let's come about right here. We're just going to bring it down to about right there. So let's come down, down, and then about right here. Just draw thumb. And these really long fingers, and then connect everything there. And to make it look like a doll, come back in here. We're going to draw a curve for like a joint, and same thing here where the joints are. Okay, so same thing on the other side, but before I do that, let's come back here, just draw some creases. Okay, and then so same thing over here. And poof this part out. And here as well. So about right there. And connect. And once again, 1, 2, and 3, and then the arms. So it's just continuing. And so same as the other side. And about right there. So I'm just going to drag this across. So approximately where the thumb ends. And then you can draw the fingers. There. And once again, just draw a little ball joint right here and here to make it look like a doll. And finally, let's see here, what else are we missing? On the belt right here on the sides, right here, and then there's a tie, so we come here and here. Draw the little part that ties off on her belt, pop that out. And then there's an apple right here in the center because she is a teacher. So we come right in the center and draw a stem, a leaf, and then we can go around and around. So about right here to draw our apple. There. And then when you're coloring the skirt, just put a bunch of polka dots on it, bunch of circles to decorate her dress. And then finally, let's finish off her beautiful hair. So let's come right about here, and we're going to curl in, and then come right about here and just draw a curve to finish it off. And maybe another curve right here. Finish off that, and one here. So same thing on the other side. Just draw a curl and connect. And once again, a line and a line for her hair. And let's see here if we're missing anything. Make my apple a little bit bigger. But that is pretty much it for this drawing here of Miss Delight from Poppy Playtime. I really hope I helped you draw her fun and easy, and that she's cute and a little bit creepy at the same time. Thanks so much for watching, and if I helped you today, please make sure to give me a like and subscribe so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.